bad, no crashes out there. Let's hope we can keep it that way, because with the way the side streets were looking, especially when I came to work early this morning, that was a little bit in question. You can see some traffic on the move, a little bit of a lag in the video here, but this is in Letcher County, way out in southeastern Kentucky in the mountains, up at Payne Gap on US 23. So you can see where they've picked up some snow, but the roads are in decent shape. And here in Lexington, as you look up South Broadway, traffic moving there, seemingly without too many issues as well. So just go slow. We are down around freezing or even below it, upper 20s. We've got some snow on the ground, even in the parking lots, side streets that haven't been treated or plowed could still have a light coating of snow on there. There hasn't been a lot, but it's just enough to cause for some potentially slippery travel. Here's the snow out east that's lingering, a couple of spotty snow showers. The map in motion shows that batch that went through here is now, into eastern Kentucky. So that's pretty much done. We've got another round coming in overnight, but at least for Friday and then into Sunday, there are only trace amounts of snow. The bulk of our weekend snow that we saw, at least that stuck and was measurable, was on Saturday, and that was a 2.5-inch total. So that is the entire total for the month of January so far. All the other snowfall that we've seen have been trace amounts. But if you go back to December, over 1/2 foot. If you go back to November, remember at the end of November, very last day, we had the first snow of the season, over 2 inches. So we've had almost 8.5 inches of snow since the end of November. Now, here is the future track. We've got another system coming in. This is a clipper, quick moving system, light precipitation, but a mild push. Notice how this warm front's lifting northeast. So along this band of snow, you'll have accumulation southern Indiana and across northern Kentucky. We'll get just warm enough, surging into the upper 30s to low 40s ahead of this low. And we'll kick over to mixed precipitation, some rain and snow, which will really cut down on any potential accumulation here. And then things even out and quiet down as we get toward the middle of the week. But as far as snowfall totals are concerned, we do have that possibility of seeing some accumulation, mainly northern Kentucky. So if you're driving tomorrow morning, especially up 75 towards, say, Covington, we'll look out for that. Roads could get a little messy up there. There's a winter weather advisory out for tomorrow morning from southern Illinois, and it runs right in through southern Indiana and cuts off closer to our northwestern counties. It's cold out there. We're in the upper 20s, 28 in Lexington, 30s around freezing south. And forecast highs in the mid-30s. Notice what happens overnight. I was talking about that warm push. Watch the temperature, especially in the southwestern side. You get this bubble into the upper 30s, low 40s tomorrow morning. This is as that snow's going through, but it's hovering around freezing into northern Kentucky. And then it just stays cold tomorrow. The future track showing the upper level setup, the cold air aloft. There is no significant big cold outbreak brewing as of yet. You can see a lot of that colder air still locked up north. There are signs we may start to see some amplification of the pattern there and start to see some dives of colder air out to the north and west. But as far as the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook shows, below normal temperatures expected where you're seeing that digging in. We'll run around normal, showing above normal temperatures down toward the Gulf Coast. Normal for us, low 40s. So forecast wise for today, get used to those mid to upper 30s across the Bluegrass, 32 in Owenston. Upper 30s down in Danville will likely be mid to upper 30s here in a number of other locations. So just watch out for that bit of messy, wintry, wet, and mixed winter weather overnight, early tomorrow morning, and then wait for that midweek break.